Welcome to the beautiful countryside, where ponds are filled with life and nature is at its best. Among the bustling pond life, a special story unfolds about a little duckling who found his true beauty. Among the ducklings was one that looked quite different from the rest. He was larger, with gray feathers instead of yellow. The other ducklings teased him for looking different, making the ugly duckling feel sad and lonely. Be patient, my dear. Everyone finds their place in time. Hoping to find where he belonged, the ugly duckling set off on a journey. No matter where he went, the ugly duckling couldn't find a place where he felt accepted. Winter came, and the ugly duckling faced harsh times alone. But he kept going, hoping for a better day. To his amazement, the ugly duckling saw a beautiful swan staring back at him. At last, the swan found where he truly belonged and realized that beauty comes from within. Remember, true beauty is not about how you look, but who you are inside. The end.